Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here in New York City in the Meatpacking District at, I'm going to read it, the Cow Salon Academy. And it is so exciting. I'm here with the Shannon King. He is such a superstar. And what's your title with KMS?
With KMS, I'm a national artist.
And he's so cool. He's all about texture, obviously. And I love what he's doing here because he's working with the new color product, and he's going to give you some tips and tricks on how to use the product on both textured hair and smooth and sleek and silky hair. And Shannon, take it away.
Awesome. So, you know, Maggie, we're working with, and I got this idea actually from my daughter, Sydney. She was doing her hair, and she has dark hair as well. We're working with our new KMS Style Color. These are 3 new products, or 3 new tones that we have. And here's how this happens really quickly. So all you do, and Bethany's going to help me here, simply pull your hair up into like a top bun. And Sydney was doing this one morning getting ready for school. And I was amazed at how fast she did her own ombre. It was like that. It was an instantaneous. So she basically took her hair up, and using the new sprays, you simply spray them in. And what's amazing about these is that you can see them on darker hair as well. And then she picked up another one and sprayed that in, just like that. And then she picked up another one and sprayed it in. So she had 3 different tones happening in her hair. And then all of a sudden, 1, 2, 3, let these go, and boom, you have your ombre. It was that fast, right? And to really dress it up, if you'd like, since it is holiday season, you can always do cool things like with these little bits, pulling the hair up a little bit more asymmetrical, and just simply drop them in. The more, the merrier. And what's cool is that you can find these in a lot of different places, Maggie. And if you'd like, you can even retail them to your clients.
Well, do you? I mean, in your salon, you have a salon in Brooklyn. If you did this to a client, would you charge her? What would you charge her for the accessories?
We would charge her for the accessories, and we would basically go and find them ourselves. We know where to go get them. You can find everything in Brooklyn. But we go find them, and then we would just add that on, probably an extra $15, $20. All
right, very nice. Yeah. And then what do you charge for this color service, this instant ombre? I'm asking you the tough questions. I didn't tell him I was going to do that.
So if we're going to do an instant ombre, we would do this for only like another $25, maybe $30 just to do something really quick. And what's great about that, if they wanted to, they could take these home. Now, we do retail these each for $23, I believe, each. So we would get all 3 of them. They would purchase these, and for an extra $20, they would get the service. And we would show them how to use these at home.
Yeah, it's so cool because once she washes her hair, it's gone.
Then it's gone, yeah. They're pillow-proof, and they're also waterproof, but they do come out when you shampoo. Right? So
what do you call them? Do you call them temporary color? What is your generic?
Color.
Yeah, that's what you call it.
Yes, it is a temporary color. We call it KMS Style Color that sprays in. Cool. So if your hair is a little bit smoother, right, and you maybe, and I know some people are trying to do this and trying to get their hair to kind of have this texture for holiday parties and things like that. What we've done here is we've used 2 of my new favorites right now. Well, this one's an old favorite. A lot of people love our KMS playable texture, but now I'm adding that or layering that with our dry wax. And think about this, a dry wax on hair, dry, and then we add our iron in with it. So all we did with these products is take each section and mist in the playable texture, then right on top of that, mist in your dry wax. And then I worked with would you hold those for me, Chelsea? Thank you so very much. Then we went in with our Varus 1-inch iron.
Which, you know, shout out to Varus 1-inch iron. They were in our latest artist session goodie bag. Everybody went nuts.
Didn't they? Yeah. These are amazing.
And the blow dryer, too.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Varus.
So once you do that, you take vertical sections and just simply hold the iron in and give it a twist, and then simply pull. Whoop, it's already getting in there. Simply pull your way down or make a curl, simple curl that's vertical.
Now, I saw when you did this, you said it's very important not to saturate the hair. It's a gentle mist.
Exactly, yeah. So if the hair speaks to you and it hisses or it's back at you, a little too much product. It's telling you we did a little too much. Give it a minute, fan it, make sure that the hair is not talking back at you, and then put your iron in. And it creates an amazing amount of memory. And then you can style it, you can brush through it. You can even wrap the hair around your finger, Maggie, and it'll re-curl for you.
That's the cool thing. All right, so how do people follow you?
Oh, you can follow me on Instagram at Shannon William King.
And KMS?
And KMS, you can follow them on KMS Hair US.
And our models, we're going to start over here. How do we follow you?
It's Chelsea_Heiss.
And?
@_CHASTEEN__.
Well, it's Very cool. I hope you guys put something up from what we did here today. It's very nice. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining us, and thank you so much, Shannon. So good to see you.
Absolute pleasure,
Okay, we'll
always.
see you. Bye.